Smart investing in one video. The only guide you need to start winning in 2026. Hey fam, it's your boy, Build Passive Wealth, back with the no BS truth. Most people talk about getting rich, but they never actually do what makes you rich. Today I'm packing everything about smart investing into one short, straight to the point video. No fluff, no complicated charts. Just the exact system the wealthy use, simplified so you can start today. Even if you only have $50. Because here's the reality. Saving money is cute. But smart investing is how normal people become financially free. Let's get into it. 1. The golden rule. Pay yourself first, before the world takes it. Before you spend another dollar on coffee, clothes, or treat yourself, you pay yourself first. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. This protects you. Then automatically send money to your investments every single paycheck, even if it's only $20 to $50. The rich don't wait to have enough money to invest. They invest first, then live on what's left. That's the switch. 2. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. This is the real cheat code. $200 a month at 8 to 10% average return, what the stock market has done for decades, becomes $100 plus in 20 years. Over $500 in 30 years. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to start early and stay consistent. The money works while you sleep. That's smart investing. 3. Keep it stupid simple. Index funds and ETFs. Stop trying to pick the next Tesla or crypto moonshot. 99% of people lose money doing that. Smart investors do this instead. Put most of your money into low-cost index funds that track the entire market, like S&P 500 or total stock market ETFs. Diversify automatically. Pay almost zero fees. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, says this is what he wants his own wife to do after he's gone. If it's good enough for him, it's good enough for you. 4. Never invest money you'll need soon. Rule number 1 of not losing money. Don't touch the stock market with money you need in the next 3 to 5 years. Emergency fund? Safe. House down payment in 2 years? Safe. Retirement in 20 years? Stocks all day. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every single time. 5. Automate everything and ignore the noise. Set it and forget it. Link your bank right pointing arrow automatic transfer every payday right pointing arrow buy the same ETFs every month. Then delete the investing apps from your phone. The biggest enemy of smart investing? Checking your portfolio every day and panicking when it drops 10%. The market will crash. It always does. Smart investors buy more when it's on sale. So, are you finally ready to get serious? This isn't rocket science. It's discipline plus time plus the right vehicles. The only question left is, will you actually do it? Most people will watch this, say, great video, and keep doing the same thing tomorrow. But if you're different, comment, I'm in, right now and I'll drop my free, smart investing starter checklist, in your DMs, the exact 3-step setup I wish I had when I started. Smash that like button if this hit you. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because every week I'm dropping the no fluff money and success truths that actually move the needle. Your future rich self is already thanking you. I'll see you in the next one.